Welcome back, viewers. Team Sweetiepie here again today, bringing you another one of our room tours from one of our little staycations. As the little sign there says, this one today is for the Vibe Hotel in North Sydney, in New South Wales, Australia. As always, if you could please like and subscribe to the channel, it would very much help, as we very much appreciate any and all help we have for growing the channel. And there's me, Brian. Just quickly here, I'm just focusing on this little black bag. Inside it is actually the little hairdryer that's a part of the room. As I open up this little bar fridge, you can see the couple of beers and soft drinks and even a little carton of milk they provide. The little carton of milk is complimentary, as most hotels provide tea and coffee for free of charge, and as you can see, this one even has a little coffee pod machine. But most of the soft drinks, beers, and all the different snacks that you see there are actually purchasable for the room. And there's Sweetiepie Lane. As a little extra, I'm now actually going to show you the gym that this hotel has, which among the variety of different places we've stayed is actually one of the bigger ones that we've come across. They even, as you can see, have complimentary drinking water as well as towels. Now, as we get towards the end of the clip, both the gym and the hotel's pool are actually accessed sort of outside, but on one of the higher levels. And so, as we can see here, is an outdoor shower, so people can rinse off either before or after their swim. As we make our way up the stairs, as you can see, it was on and off raining when we were staying here, so it wasn't actually much use to us, but nonetheless you can see the bit of the view out to the street. Usual pool safety rules. Cabana chairs and the simple 25-meter lap pool. As always, we're Team Sweetiepie. Thank you all very much for watching. And again, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much, and have a good day all.